Today we talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your DaZn app. All you have to do in the first, you just click here on settings, click on it here. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Just scrolling down here, click on apps. It's going to take you to apps list until you're looking for DaZn app. Or just click on search. And here DaZn app. It's going to show for you like this. Click on it. Then it's going to take you to this list. You click here on force stop, click on OK. You scrolling down here, click on storage, click on clear cache. So then you go to your Play Store, click on it. You search here for DaZn app. It's going to show for you like this. You will find here. If this click on it, then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.